Why do you think you go from calm to chaos in 5 seconds flat? Why one little comment from your wife or your boss or your kid suddenly has you clenching your fists, gritting your teeth, or fantasizing about disappearing into a bottle or a porn binge or just the nearest cave? I'll tell you why, guys. It's not because you're broken, and it's not because you're weak. It's not because you're a failure. It's because deep down inside of you, there's a part of you, a little boy still. A boy who was hurt, a boy who didn't get what he needed, a boy who learned to survive by shutting down, by acting out, or pretending it didn't hurt. But it did, didn't it? And now that boy is still in there, and he's still waiting for someone to show up for him. Listen, I know it sounds like it, but it's not woo-woo shit, okay? This is not therapy speak for men who cry over their kale smoothies. This is inner child healing. And if you don't know how to do it, I promise you that wounded little boy will keep hijacking your own damn life. He'll sabotage your marriage. He'll make you doubt your worth. He'll freak the fuck out every time you get close to success or intimacy or real vulnerability. But when you do learn how to work with him, when you learn to talk to him, validate him, and give him what he never got, that's when you become dangerous in the best possible way. That's when you become emotionally jacked. That's when you stop reacting and start leading. So if you're ready to stop being held hostage by a scared, wounded 7-year-old inside of a 40-year-old body, stay with me, guys, okay? This might be the most important video you've ever seen. If you're ready to actually do this work, not just think about it, click the link that's down below and let's get that free call scheduled, okay? I've built a process to help you walk through this step by step. So I'm not leaving you in the dark with this. Now let's get into it. That little boy inside of you, he's not a metaphor. He's real. Your brain, your nervous system, your emotional patterns, they were all shaped by your early experiences. Now, if you ever felt abandoned, rejected, unloved, unsafe, you adapted, you adjusted. You learned how to earn love instead of receive it. You learned how to anticipate danger. You learned how to armor up and shut down. But here's the catch. Your nervous system doesn't know that you're not 7 anymore. When something today reminds you of something back then, your system reacts. Not like a man, but like a terrified little boy who just wants to feel safe, seen, and loved. Now, you want to talk about emotional regulation. You want to talk about self-improvement, resilience, high-value masculinity. It starts right here. Inner child healing isn't about wallowing in the past. It's about rescuing the part of you that got stuck there. And the only man who can do that is you. So here's the process, guys. It's simple, not easy. Step 1, acknowledge that he exists. That little boy, the one who felt ashamed, neglected, confused, scared, overlooked, dismissed, he's still in there. And he's not going away just because you lift heavy or make 6 figures or meditate with your nuts out. He wants to be seen. And you've probably spent decades trying to ignore him. So take a breath and say this out loud. I see you. That's it. Start there. Acknowledge that he's real. And step 2, validate his pain. This part is hard, especially if you were raised to just get over it. Man up. Or if you were told that your pain didn't matter. But you want to stop your self-sabotage, you've got to feel what he felt. Sit down, close your eyes, picture yourself as a kid. 5 years old, 7 years old, maybe 10. Go back to your age of wounding. The version of you who needed love, who didn't get it, who got hit instead of held, ignored instead of encouraged, criticized instead of comforted. And say to him, what happened? What happened to you, man? Whatever it wasn't okay. You didn't deserve that. It wasn't your fault. Say what you needed to hear back then. Speak to him the way no one ever spoke to you. Gentle, loving, protective. Step number 3, give him what he needed. Now, this is where the healing starts. Ask yourself, what did I need most as a kid that I didn't get? Was it safety? Was it attention? Was it someone to sit with me and say, I love you just as you are? Whatever the answer is, give it to him now. You're not crazy. You're not broken. You're reparenting your own nervous system. You are becoming the man that you needed. Now, when I first did this work, I thought it was bullshit too. I thought I was too far gone. I thought that if I opened that door, I would probably fall apart. But I didn't. I finally came together whole. I cried in the shower for the first time in years. I forgave my father. I stopped chasing validation like a dog chasing a car. And I started feeling safe in my own body for the first time since I could remember. And that's the power of this work. You can literally talk to your inner child. I do it all the time. When I get triggered, when I want to shut down, when I feel rage or shame or sadness out of nowhere, I pause, I breathe, and I say, hey buddy, I got you. I'm not leaving. You're safe now. And just like that, man, my nervous system calms. I regulate. I stop reacting like a scared little boy and I start responding like that strong, masculine, grounded man. And this is not something that you do just once either. This is a practice, just like training your body. You show up again and again. And every time you do that, that little boy inside of you, he starts trusting you. He starts softening. He starts healing. And the man that you were always meant to be, he starts rising. So here's your challenge, guys. Tonight, before bed, sit with a picture of yourself as a kid, or just imagine him in your mind. Look at him and say, I see you. I hear you. You matter. I love you. And I'm not going anywhere. Say it every night for a week. Feel it. Really. And watch what shifts. This is the work of emotionally jacked men. Not just building muscle, but building emotional strength, nervous system resilience, spiritual growth, true self-worth. And it starts by going back for the boy that you used to be. Again, guys, click the link that's down below. We can go even deeper. Schedule a free call with me, all right? I built up from my own pain, my own healing, and you can too. You don't have to figure this out alone. Because that boy inside of you, he's been waiting for you to show up. And now you finally can.